Hello, my name is Mike Taranto with ERP Consulting LLC. This is a short little demo of how to use the cut and paste feature from Excel to post into or paste into a Dynamics GP general ledger entry. This is especially useful when you are doing things like payroll entries that you might get somewhere or other type of sheets that you're doing in Excel that you want to quickly put into GP. Okay, well, we'll begin by taking a look at the journal entry itself. We'll come up here to the financial series and general under transactions, and this is where the journal entry is created in GP. A couple things that do not get populated when you cut and paste a journal entry is the header information for your journal entry. So you've got your transaction date, source document, the reference, and we'll just put in here a reference, and currency if you are using multi-currency. Nothing has to be done down here while we're working on this entry. You'll note up here we have this paste button, and this is how we will paste the journal entry in. So I'm going to jump over then to Excel, and I created a journal entry here so that we could use this in our demo. It's important to keep things in this order. I've tried a number of different orders and they didn't work successfully. So if you have your reference, your account number with your dashes or whatever you're separating with, your debit in the first column and your credit in the second column. And so what this will do then is that we'll bring this over as a reference on the line items in your journal entry and all of this. So all you have to do is not the header, just the data. You just go down and you're going to copy the area that you want to use, and then either Control C or right click and copy. And then you can go back to GP and be on this window, and you don't have to focus by clicking down here. It can be anywhere. You click on paste, and then the journal entry just drops right in. And luckily we're in balance. A couple things here to note. If I hit my show button here, you'll see there's what that reference is doing. It's coming down into this part, not this reference up here. So it's a distribution reference. A couple things that could happen if things aren't done correctly. One is that you'll get a error report. And so why don't we do that just so that you can see what happens with it. Come over here and let's just cut this and insert. Oops, I go in the further over, and then I'm going to insert. Now I'm going to try to copy this since it's not in the same order as it was, and we will copy that. Go back over to GP. We'll just put in here again test, and then we'll hit paste. And then you'll see here that this validation report jumps up. And this is to tell you that there's some problems, and you'll now see that it's saying that the account number does not exist because it's looking at that second column that is now the reference field instead of the account number field, and causes this discrepancy. So just remember that if this report comes up, it most likely is due to the order of the data that you had here. Well, that is the demonstration for the Excel copy and paste into the Dynamics GP General Ledger. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the information on the screen. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. You have a great day. Thanks.